Hello friends, my name is Jyoti Somavanshi. In this tutorial, we will see how to write, compile and run Java program using command prompt. Firstly, prerequisite, you need to have a Java installed on your system and set the Java path. Let's see the step by step how to write and compile Java program. Step 1. Open a text editor like Notepad and type the program on Notepad. Class is a keyword. The class name is XYZ. Enter. Opening curly bracket. Public static void main in bracket string args array bracket complete and function bracket complete. Enter. Next line. Opening curly bracket and print the message using system dot out dot println bracket message like hello Java double quote complete bracket complete semicolon with then closing curly brackets and closing class. Here complete the program. Then step 2, save the file. Save. Go to the C drive Java program folder. Type the name of file xyz.java. The file name and class name both are same. Save. The next step 3. In this step, we will compile the Java program. To start, cmd, enter in command prompt. Open the command prompt. Then cd slash entering a C drive. Okay. Then cd into the directory. It means Java program. Java program. The folder name. Enter. Then Java C is a command to compile the Java program. Then file name is xyz.java. Enter here. To compile the Java program, the next last step after the compilation, the Java file gets translated into the .class file. It means byte code. Now we can run the Java program. The command is java xyz. Enter. Let's see here the hello Java is the output. That's it. We will compile the whole Java program through the command prompt. Thank you.